Hey everyone, this is Halo. Halo is a world chain mini app that rewards real humans for scanning their everyday receipts by using WorldID. We also use Fluent CPU for OCR processing and securely store images by using FileCoin Snaps SDK. Halo is very simple to use, private, and built for global use. Everything is on mainnet, and the mini app is submitted to go live on the World App Store. So every day, billions of receipts are being created, and receipts are real proof of human activity. However, there is no clean way to connect the offline spending with on-chain rewards. Halo will solve this gap. So here we are inside the Halo mini app. First, we do wallet.onWorld so that Halo can read my wallet address and the world username. There is a quick onboarding prepared. I go through it. And I can start scanning one of the receipts I have. This one has 41k Argentina peso on it. And then I can scan more. Let's do a random photo with world treats. And now Halo will store the image using the FileCoin Snaps SDK. Everything is on mainnet, and we have the payment rail set up. While the two photos are processing, if I click a previously scanned one, it will retrieve from the snaps piece from the set on FileCoin and show the extracted details using OCR thanks to Fluent's decentralized CPU compute. We can see fields like merchant, total amount, and when. Now let's go back. As you can see, Halo will rate the receipt quality and give it a quality score. And points are rewarded accordingly for proper inputs. To claim the accumulated points, you'll need to verify that you're a unique human using the WorldID Verify. And with enough points, you'll be able to claim USDC rewards. You can also see that our second photo was rejected because it was a random photo and not a receipt. So imagine that we can later nudge all our users to buy a certain product like Coca-Cola, for example. Halo was built for production, not just a demo, and will easily reach so many users because thanks to the huge daily amount of users that are already active daily on World Mini App. Real receipts, real humans, and real rewards. This was Halo. Thank you for listening.